Hey guys, it's me, Risa, and I'm going to show you how to make another one of my big salad options with a very easy dressing. And this is for your brunch, your lunch, if you break your fast, for a dinner option, even after a workout, you want something that's healthy and delicious and, of course, satisfying. So, build your salad. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. I love making it so colorful, my salads, and I love changing it up all the time. So you can see I have my ingredients here, and I simply added some romaine lettuce that I chopped, and I added some spinach. I love keeping lots of baby fresh spinach, some shredded carrots, and some broccoli. And again, you can put in as much or as little as you want. I love fruit in my salads. I added blueberries. They're on sale right now, but I love any fruit in my salad. Some tomatoes, and you can use grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes or, whatever kind you like. So I also wanted some cucumbers, so I added cucumber. And for the protein, I decided I wanted some no salt added chickpeas. I buy that at Walmart or most grocery stores carry it, and some lighter feta cheese. And I'm just sprinkling on about a tablespoon. And look at that. It's beautiful. It's in a very large, it's hard to tell, but it's a very large bowl that I just bought at the dollar store. And you can buy large bowls anywhere. I never thought I could eat large salads, but guess what? I can. And that has helped me on my weight loss journey and my maintenance journey. But of course, a salad isn't a salad without some dressing. So I just took a couple of cloves of fresh garlic that I just pressed with my garlic presser here. And I used about 2 medium cloves and a half of a lemon. You can see I just use my squeezer, and about a tablespoon or less of some extra virgin olive oil. And then this is up to you. I like it a bit sweeter, so you could use whatever sugar replacement that you want, or real sugar or honey or agave. I used Swerve, about a heaping tablespoon or so, with a little bit of salt and a drop of some pepper here. And I just take my whisk and I whisk it. Now, the thing that I do is I taste. So if you need a little bit more garlic, you like it garlicky like me, or you like it a little bit sweeter, add a little bit more, but you have to taste. That's the key to any good dressing, okay? And if you wanted, you could add a little bit of oregano or Italian seasoning if you want, right? You can add whatever you like. It's versatile. So the other thing that I love to add to my salads, my big salads, is the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Try saying that a few times, and I like to just sprinkle that on top. Sometimes I like to add seeds, but today I'm just leaving it like this, and I'm going to add my dressing and enjoy my big, beautiful salad. Another huge salad by Risa. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have, I really appreciate it. Risa Weiner YouTube. And of course, share with all your friends and family who are on a health journey to lose weight or to maintain their weight. I love to change things up, and you can too. Remember, my recipes are just a base, and you can add whatever veggies that you like. I just check whatever I have in the house, but you can add anything you like to make it a nice, big, beautiful salad, different proteins, cheese, no cheese, whatever kind of salad dressings. I've got lots on my YouTube channel as well. So I hope you love this recipe. And again, I love hearing from you. When you make it, not if you make it, take a picture and you can post it on my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, or on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, okay? Because I love hearing from you and what you've changed it, how you've changed it or kept it the same, all right? So that's it. Love you guys. Take care. Bye for now. I got to go eat my beautiful, delicious, big, healthy, guilt-free, satisfying lunch. Okay, take care, guys.